Woo! You guys ready? I have this crazy idea. It's a crazy idea. It's kind of early. I'll take you to the office. No cinematic yet. I'll tell you exactly what we're doing today. Ready? Wah. Yeah. Hey guys. Okay, Rob.
Yo.
Today, Rob and I are gonna take orders. Tuna Crate and Primal, or Tuna Crate, JDMbrand.
Tuna Crate and JDMbrand.
And we're gonna hand deliver some of the California ones.
Deliver them?
Hand deliver California ones.
Let's do it.
Not a crazy idea, right? Crazy idea. All right, guys, here's the idea. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna take a package from like JDMbrand or Tuna Crate, depending on what it is. I've mapped out the locations. We've packaged these up, and then we're gonna take these, the addresses here, and then we're gonna deliver them like as if we're UPS or FedEx or Amazon, and we're gonna knock on the door. So why am I doing this, guys? I want to reconnect with you guys as, you know, members of Tuna Crate and buyers of JDMbrand and Primo and all the other brands. I've always packaged and shipped for the longest time. In the past few years, obviously I have a crew that does it now, but I was like, you know, it's a really cool idea to kind of reconnect with everyone. What if I surprise someone with a delivery of their package? It could take a while, but I'm willing to put in the work. I don't know, besides that, it gives me an opportunity and Rob just to go on a road trip over to LA or Orange County or something. So anyways, let's package these up. Ready? Yeah. All right, Rob.
Let's do it.
This is our delivery truck right here. Let's do this. Okay, Rob.
Okay.
10:13 a.m. Okay.
All right.
You're the GPS guy, so we're not gonna reveal address information. No. And if no one wants to be on the video, we don't have to say it.
Yeah.
But Rob, you're gonna be the GPS guy, so you're gonna enter the information in here. You're gonna map me there, and we're gonna try to get there as efficiently as possible.
Okay.
And then we've mapped everything out. The routes are mapped out. We're going to the LA region, I'm calling it.
Yeah.
And then from there, if we have time, we'll hit the OC region, Orange County. And if we must hit the IE region, which is us. I want IE like this, stupid. Anyways, all right, Rob, map it out. First stop is what city?
Let's see.
Chino. Okay.
California.
Close enough. That's IE, but it's on the way IE.
Yeah.
So we'll just, actually, no, let's skip it.
Skip
we
it?
have to skip it, yeah.
Oh, on the way back?
Yeah, we'll do the way back.
So the next one is Glendora, California.
Glendora, that's like way out of the way. But we don't get a lot of orders in the northern LAIE peak. So I wanted to make sure we don't, whose name is it? Do we say? Can we say?
Juan.
Juan, that's it. I give you Juan. All right, Juan, we're headed your way. Ooh, hopefully you're home. Okay, it's a 24-minute drive from here. And then the furthest we're gonna go is gonna be 2 hours.
Holy shit. That's
it's a great idea, Rob.
Francisco.
Rob,
Oh my god.
It's a great idea, Rob. It's a great, I swear.
Let's do it.
I don't know where I come up with these ideas. It's a great idea.
Okay, let's do it.
I don't know. Okay, anyways, let's go. Rob,
What?
it's fucking raining.
What's going on?
We picked the worst day to do deliveries. It's raining right now. Oh my goodness. Rob, 2 minutes. Oh no, 1 minute. We're 1 minute away from delivery. 2 turns, left turn, and we're done. And it's raining very hard. I think I brought my jacket.
Oh, shit.
I did not expect it to rain. I did wear pants. I was gonna wear shorts today. I was gonna wear brown clothes. So I look like a UPS guy. I was trying to look for a reflective jacket, so to be safe.
That's funny.
So okay, one more turn. All right. 0.4 mile. I hope. What's his name again?
Juan.
Juan. I hope Juan is home, man. I'm doing this for you, Juan.
Please be home.
Please be home. They're not gonna answer the door because it's gonna be like 2 random guys. Fucked up.
Fuck.
It's a wrong turn.
Oh my god.
It's a wrong turn. Asian driver. I think this is his house. Oh my god, it's raining so hard right now. Is this his house?
Your destination is on the
Is this home? We're the worst delivery guys. Okay, we have to
I'm not gonna say it. Fuck. Okay, this is not even the house. Oh, bad.
That's not the house.
No, this ain't the house.
Okay, it's he ordered from JDMbrand. He got 4 free shirts from it. It is so raining. You think they're gonna answer their door? Me looking like a hey.
I got shorts on.
All right, let's look for it. Okay, hopefully he's home. Hopefully. Hopefully. I'm gonna like show him the package. Hopefully, answers the door. Oh, I don't think they're gonna answer the door. What do we look like? Two kid thugs. Juan, we have your package. I really want to deliver this to him. So I left a note for Juan, and then I also signed it for him. I'm gonna leave your order right here, buddy. Hidden away from the street. Oh, complete fail! It is raining so hard. Juan wasn't home.
He wasn't home.
I wrote a note and I left it. Sucks.
Damn, that was crazy.
It was kind of weird.
It was raining.
We were creepers standing there for the longest time.
Maybe he was there and just didn't open the door.
Or no, maybe he's at work.
Yeah, there was no cars, so.
Okay, so I think we have to do a plan B. It's now 10:43. Oh, look, UPS guy. What? Hey, how do we do this? Teach me, teach me your ways. Okay, no, actually, so it's getting late in the day, and I don't think we can do the LA route. Okay. Because the LA route would take too long.
Crazy, especially with the rain.
The furthest location we will be at will take us roughly 2 hours to get there. Actually, can you enter the map in? Enter the enter K in. So our furthest route we're gonna go to would be roughly in the Culver City area, which is like near Santa Monica. It'll take over an hour to get there, but we have about 6 other drop-offs before that. So I would roughly count about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, just to get to the location, which puts us right at the traffic area. But we're supposed to head to Long Beach to finish the LA region. So I think what we can the only option we have right now is to scrap the idea of doing the LA region today. We'll do it another day. Yeah. But we'll hit up the IE region, which is closer to us, but we can guarantee the delivery today. Yeah. And be home at the reasonable time. Because if we leave from Long Beach, it'll take us 2 hours minimum. Because it's 1 hour without traffic. Yeah. So I think that's the idea. Okay, so let's switch over. Let's grab the paper for the IE region, and then we'll map it out, and hopefully someone answers the door, man.
Oh shit, the street says
sex. A sex street. No, can I go to the SX street? Okay. SX. All right, guys. Let's do a cinematic. Yes. Come here, Rob. It's raining. Ready? Ready? Okay. Yeah. Go. Open the trunk. Go. Oh shit. Go. It's. Close the door. I got it. I'll close the door. Nothing. I said close the door. It's getting wet. I closed it already. Okay, open the door for Rob.
Damn, I don't know why I keep forgetting fucking close the door.
Alright. Cool.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run.
Okay guys, look, traffic is already starting, see it? It's only 11 o'clock. Oh man. Yeah, the other freeway. Oh, the other freeway is bad. See it over there? And ours is starting to slow down over here too. All right, Rob. All right. Hunter, we're here. We're gonna be there in 2 minutes, 0.4 miles. And I really hope you're there. I want to give you your package. I really want to give you your package. Rob,
oh my god, we're fucked. It's an apartment complex.
Apartments are hard.
Okay,
we're gonna find it. Hunter, we're here for you, bro.
So turning right here.
Turning right. This is a nice place, Hunter.
Wow, this is really nice.
It's actually pretty good. Okay, Hunter, I hope you're home. We're very close. Oh, sprinkling. All right, Rob, come on. We got a package. Oh shit, there's dogs, dude. There's dogs. Hunter, please answer. Please answer. Hunter, we have your package, bro. Right here. Damn it. Rob, let's fail number 2, bro.
That's number 2.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna write a note. I have chicken scratch freaking writing. But I wanted to make sure I'm just gonna sign it. I really wish he was here. Okay.
Oh, the camera's getting wet. Probably the best spot.
Hold this. Damn it, Rob. 2 failed deliveries. No one's answering the door. My butt's wet. Oh, man. All right, we're gonna try another order.
Damn it, Hunter. All
right, Hunter wasn't there, but we're headed to Alejandro. He's not too far from here, so we plan this route efficiently. Okay. Let's go. Ready?
Let's go.
Teleport. Yeah. Rob, did you pick these places out?
No.
Okay, I know. I picked it out. This is like a big area of a lot of homes, and we have to find where it is. This is kind of what I want to avoid it. What is it? Guest residents enter here. Wow. Oh, it's gated parking. Oh shit, this is a checkpoint.
Oh shit, hide the drugs. Oh fuck, hide the drugs.
This car over there. Where are we? Yo, where are we? There's a security. We have to actually sign in. Oh my god, dude, this place is like Fort Knox. No joke right now. No joke. But the security was super cool.
Yeah, the security
he's super
was
chill. All right, let's look for the spot. This is a nice area. I can't.
Wait,
okay, I can't drive there. I'm fucking up, bro. Asian driver.
Whoa.
I cannot drive here. I cannot park here. Oh my god, where do I fucking park? All right, Rob, 74. This is a different environment.
Yeah, this is fucking.
It feels interesting, doesn't it?
Wow.
But the security is sick as hell. I really like the security here. The gate's a little small for my
really
dually.
nice.
Yeah. All right.
That'd be cool riding my bike right here, like.
I know. I really hope they don't have dogs here. Oh, we can't actually physically deliver because there's a gate. Hopefully he answers the door. I'm knocking. Alejandro. Okay, to be fair, it's a weekday. People are in school and working, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
We'll find someone. All right, another 20-minute drive.
Another 20 minutes.
Another spot.
Let's go.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Oh, hey, we're in traffic. There is quite a bit of traffic, but I think we might be safe to bypass this area. I'm gonna try to go around it. But there's already traffic. Oh, 11:51 a.m. Yeah, here we are. We are at the address, and this is a little further. This is one of our furthest east orders today. But we do see a truck in the driveway and the windows open.
There's 2 cars here.
David, we're coming for you. All right, David. Hopefully you're here. Nice truck in the driveway. No dogs. Hello. Huh?
There's a package right there.
Where? Oh man. Last time. I'm gonna try one more time. I see doors and cars, but no one's answering. I have an Asian cat in the window. It's not looking too good, Rob.
It's not looking too good.
Damn it. He's not here. Damn. I think it's chicken scratches. Okay. Damn it, he's not here. Okay.
It's not here.
Hopefully he sees it. It's your free shirt, dude. All paranoid.
The Ford stop. Damn.
Alright, that's it.
That's it.
We're gonna leave this.
Probably throw it in through the doggy door.
Nah, dude, I'm throwing the doggy door. The dog bite my dick off.
Oh shit. Yeah, never mind. That's a bad idea. You could bite it up, never mind. Yeah, you could just fucking.
Rob right there.
Yo, that's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's really
simple
good.
too.
Yeah, it was
It's
simple.
nice wheels.
It just had wheels and like a little spoiler.
Rob, I have a good feeling about this one.
Yeah.
I have a good feeling. There's hella cars outside.
I think this is the one.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I have a good feeling about this one, but I may be wrong. What's the name?
Jose.
Come on, Jose, open the door. Anybody? Knock, knock. Ah, this is not a good feeling. My good feeling went away. Jose, hello. Yeah, they're doing some gardening. There's 3 cars in the front. You got your tuna crate box, man. Jose. All right, next package. There's dogs and cats. Nobody. Can you try knocking harder?
Not harder?
Yeah, knock a little harder. Rob makes a good point. We look like 2 damn kids trying to sell shit.
So people might not even fucking open the
So
door.
if you're telling me if we wore a polo,
If we wear like brown UPS with the little Tuner Creed hat, then
yeah,
I think people might open.
it's okay. I still have high hopes for one person.
I still think one person could. I hope.
We'll try to do a Saturday delivery one day.
Yeah, Saturday too.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
But we're gonna exit the neighborhood. We're heading over to another location. Currently 12:42 p.m. now. This other location is about 13 minutes away.
I don't think.
Okay, swing and a miss. I think it's gonna be swing and a miss because there's a gate and I don't think we can get in through the gate. But they have 2 large boxes I don't want to leave on the street because this is like primo for being stolen right here. And I don't want to go back there because there's probably dogs.
Shit. What do we do?
Toss it. I'm just kidding.
Toss it over there?
Let's go outside and scope the yard. Hella suspicious.
Yeah, that's like hella scheduled.
All right, guys, we're dropping this off. So I don't want to show the address, but to Nicholas. He's not home. He's at work right now. So I'm gonna give it to this gentleman. Gonna give it to him. You promise you'll take care of it?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Let me sign it real quick and I'll give it to him. We were so close. Okay, so we gave it to a nice gentleman there.
Yes.
He was currently at work, so we couldn't give it to him.
Yeah.
I thought about actually showing up to his job.
I know, but
and
then-
giving it to him, but you're right. He might get in trouble.
He might, yeah.
Honestly, I think it would have been okay.
I think it would have been.
I think honestly it would have been okay. I think he would probably thought it was pretty cool. But it's okay. I don't want to get him in trouble.
Yeah.
But I told him we're driving around surprising people with packages, so we got super close.
Yeah. Or maybe we can swing by and tell them, like, hey,
Nah,
your package is
we're
by.
gonna get in trouble. Yeah. All right. So one more.
One more.
Let's see if this works out. Fingers crossed.
Nicholas.
I feel like we need a cinematic break or something.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Man, it's taking us to so many different places. Like we came from a place where there's just a bunch of horses. We saw a horse tied to a tree. And then we went through like weird ass like security gates, all naval and warfare center. Whoa, look at this.
Badass.
where are we, dude?
What the heck?
Damn, look at this.
Prison.
I know, it looks like an insane asylum, dude, to be honest. Oh my gosh, there's like barbed wire here.
Wait, why is that a beach?
I don't know, to keep the naval guys here? Or is it prison? Maybe it's a prison. Yo, that looks like a concentration camp. Oh my god.
What the heck?
Look, there's even towers. Where are we? All right, guys, this is our last order. I'm having like doubts if anyone's gonna even be home. Please, Adrian, please be home. Please be home. Someone please be home. Ding dong. No cars, no outside. It's a bicicleta. That's it. That's it, guys. Adrian, come on, Adrian. Don't let me down. You got 2 free shirts right here, right now. Okay, so we didn't deliver to anyone, but we did deliver to a dad or gentleman.
Yeah. Everyone's working. Hard workers, man. Everyone's hard workers.
Jerking off. Oh, that's gonna be a bad. Oh, someone dropped a fucking. Oh, that's a bad day.
Dropped 2 of them?
All right, guys. Yeah. No one. Everyone was working at school, but this is not the end of this because I really want to deliver a package to somebody. Yeah. I appreciate them. We appreciate them a lot for ordering and keeping us in business. So I want to see what I can do. Our routes are very long and very far across SoCal, so I'm gonna try my best to do it. If you guys like this, let me know. I know we didn't get any big reactions, but the adventure of going around and stuff. So, but anyways, if we do get a reaction, it'd be really cool. But thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.
Peace.
I just got a snap of one of the people that I delivered to today that wasn't home, and look at the picture. Look at this picture of us. It's me and Rob on their security camera. I'm trying to deliver this box right now. Oh my god. He was at a graduation show. He couldn't be there. Damn it.